paddles. It's a beautiful day here in paradise. I like that sound. We've got bugs. They bug me.
Okay.
We're going for a kayak ride. Kayaks are all ready. Got the wheels on. Got the paddles.
He's saying happy birthday.
Let's go. Paddles. It's a beautiful day here in paradise.
I like
that sound. We've got bugs. They bug me.
Okay.
We have our first sighting of a crocodile.
Down the Amazon. I'm gonna get close to the croc.
Watch it doesn't bite you.
I'm gonna see if it will.
Wait a minute, that's no crocodile.
It's a croc. Ew.
What is it? It's a Sasquatch.
It's a crocodile.
It's the
Okay, I'm gonna go get pictures of lilies.
backbone. We're going in there.
Huh?
This little river down, maybe about, I don't know, 100 feet, and it goes into the other lake that's beside us. We're surrounded by lily pads, but no frogs. Well, there was one on this piece of wood, and it jumped over to a lily pad, and now it's jumping over from one to the other, and it's going to jump right up into Carrie's boat. Okay, here we go. We're going in. Unfortunately, we won't be able to get through. There's too much foliage. Too much wood in the lake. Somebody got their paddle boat stuck in there one year, and they just left it there. That was a long time ago. Oh well. We'll have to take the kayaks over to the other side of the lake then. Ami, where'd you go? Damn, I should have. Oh. We got the kayak cam coming. Got the kayak cam coming. Don't steal the plants. The frogs are gonna kill you. They're gonna attack you.
I want another one. I need a white one. I have to keep them wet.
Why can't this thing just stay up? Do its. Somebody else is out there kayaking. Kayak. Carrie's trying to go onto Facebook Live or whatever, and she has no idea how to do it. And besides, she shouldn't be on her phone when we're kayaking in this beautiful lake. Serenity now.
Hold on. I'm gonna go live. Put your camera down.
We're going live.
Put your camera down. I don't want.
is a trail that goes all along here from town, and it comes right up and ends at this man-made deck. Of course it's man-made. It wasn't done naturally. And I'm about to hit it. My keel's gonna hit it. That's not a keel, that's the front of the boat. I'm gonna crash! Oh! Okay, that hurt. I don't want to get out. Are those 5G? Two tip outs, I believe. Yep. That must be the bed. This like is that? A, what year is it? What year is it?
2008.
2008. That's a B class with the pop-up tents on top of it. Yeah, I like these. Okay, now that's one shiny RV. That's pretty cool, eh, Boomer? That's manufactured by Terry. I didn't even know they still are in business.